Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Cambridge International AS and A level paper 1 for year 12 May June 2023. This is paper code is, you can see here, 970911 May June 2023. Right, you all know the instructions for this paper. Time to complete this paper is 1 hour 50 minutes and the total marks of the paper are 75. Right, so now let's start. First question. I would kindly request you guys, if you are new to the channel, kindly subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends, and I will eagerly wait for your comments, for your feedback and any suggestions for the improvement. So let's start. First question we have: solve the equation 4 sin theta plus tan theta equals to 0 for the range 0 to 180. So I will rewrite here 4 sin theta plus tan theta is sin theta over cos theta, right, equals to 0. So then we have here is 1, we will take the LCM. LCM is cos theta, so this is going to be 4 sin theta then here is cos theta, we will have cos theta also. So we have here this is going to cross multiply sin theta cos theta plus sin theta equals to 0, right? So we will have here sin theta common from the numerator, so inside we have 4 cos theta plus 1, and this 0 times cos theta, it will become 0. Now here, from here we will have two options, sin theta, either sin theta is equal to 0 or 4 cos theta plus 1 is 0, right? So from here sin theta is 0, so we will be using the graph. The graph is here, you know, the graph of sine is like this. So this is 0 and this one is here is pi, and this is 2 pi when the sine is 0. So you see this line is of the 0. So we will have two options of the angle here. We will have one is 0 degree, another one is 180, right? So now if we look here and this one here, for the our theta, there is no equal sign here, it's only less than, so none of these two can be the answer, so we have to reject both the answers here. So this is not possible, so there is no solution in this region. We will say no solution for this one, right? So we are not going to take this one. Now let's see what happens here. 4 cos theta equals to -1. So cos theta is equal to -1 over 4. So then theta is cos inverse 1 -1 over 4. Just use your calculator. Then we get here the value of theta as 104.5 degrees. Now as you know that for the cos rule, cos theta and cos minus theta, they are the same. So then we will have minus 104.5 degree also, but we are going to reject this also, as again our this value of theta is less than 180. So the only solution we are left with is 104.5 degrees, right? Now number 2, find the first 3 terms in the expansion in ascending powers of x of this one. We have 2 plus 3x power 4. We will expand this, so this is going to be 4c0, then 2 power 4, then we have 3x power 0, plus then we have 4c1, 2 power 3, 1 power less, and 3x power 1, then 4c2, 2 power 2, and 3x power 2, right? I'm only taking the value of the first 3 terms, as we are required only first 3 terms in this, right? So then we will have here we can take this using the calculator. 4c 0, it is going to be 16, and then we have this 3x power 0 is 1, and 4c1, it comes out to be 24 when you multiply. (24x), then next one it is coming 216x squared. So this is our final answer, right? Now next one, find the first 3 terms in the expansion. We have another one here, expression 1 minus binomial is 2x power 5. So again we are going to write it down 5c0. I'm writing only first 3 terms, right? So 1 power 5 into negative 2x. Remember to put negative sign, as we have this negative sign with the 2x here. So then we have 5c1, 1 power 4, negative 2x power 1, then plus 5c2, 1 power 3, negative 2x power 2, right? Then we will expand this again. This is 1 plus 5c0 is 5, and negative 2x, then we have 10 into 4x squared. So this is 1 plus minus 10x plus 40x squared. So this is the answer for this one, right? Now next one is, we have hence find the coefficient of x square in the expansion of this. If you see, this is the a part, this is part b, so we have to multiply the answers of a and b. So we will take here 2 plus 3 power x power 4 into 1 minus 2x power 5. So what we are going to do, we will take the answers from the first term, first part and the second part, and then we will multiply, right? So the first one was, this is here 16 plus 96x plus 216x squared. Then the other one we have 1 minus 10x plus 40x squared. Now there is no need to expand all of them, because we only need the coefficient of x square. So now when we will take the first term, 16, when you multiply 16 to here 40, then you are going to get x squared. So I'm writing the coefficients only. Coefficients of x squared will be equals to, then it is 16 times 40, right? Then let's see second one, 96. 96 will be multiplied throughout, but you will get only when you multiply here by 10. So the coefficient of x, this is 96 times negative 10, right? Then we have x squared, so this is going to multiply by the first term, so plus 216. So then we are just going to multiply. So this is 640 minus 960 plus 216, so it is negative 104. So this is our final answer, right?